Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell on Let's Stud, Party Popper. All right, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 142, which is 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? 0 times. So we write 0 above the 1. And 0 times 2 is 0. We subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. We're doing great. Keep your eyes on the prize. Now let's bring down the next digit, 4, to join the 1. Here we are at step 2. We've got 14 to work with. We bring down the next digit, 4, and place it next to our remainder 1, forming 14. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 14? Think of your 2 times tables. That's right, it's 7. So we write 7 in our quotient above the 4. Now we multiply. 7 times 2 equals 14. We write 14 below our 14. Subtract 14 from 14 and we get 0. Awesome work. Time to bring down the last digit, 2, to continue our calculation. Last step, team, we're looking at the number 2. We bring down the final digit, 2, and place it next to our remainder 0, forming the number 2. How many times does 2 go into 2? Easy peasy. You got it, it's 1 time. We write 1 in our quotient. Multiply 1 by 2, which is 2. Write 2 below the 2. Subtract 2 from 2, and we have 0 remaining. We're all done. We've successfully divided 142 by 2. High fives all around. Raised hand. So 142 divided by 2 equals 71. Great job, everyone. We tackled 142 divided by 2 like total pros. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. You got this. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math adventures on Let's Stud. Bye for now, Sparkles.